Dwi ddim yn gwybod beth i wneud, Hywel.
Dewr der Hefin!
Ynglyn â'r wers Gymraeg yn dod i ben.
Dewr der!
Dwi wrthai beth i wneud, Hywel, please.
Dewr der Hefin! Dewr der Hefin! Helo, dewr der Cymraeg. Dewr der Hefin! Dewr der Hefin! Dewr der Hefin! Dewr der Hefin! Dewr der Hefin!
Hefin. 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 Hefin.
Diolch am y lift.
No problem.
Can we talk about the wedding tonight? Is just loads of things.
Please, please, please. Cymraeg.
Lot o bethau I siarad amdano.
Iawn. Fel beth?
Like the cake, the catering, the first dance. I mean, could we choose one of Elvis's more romantic songs rather than Suspicious Minds?
Cymraeg, please.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Y cacen, y bwyd, y dawnsio, oes can well na Suspicious Minds?
Can well na Suspicious Minds. Ti'n well gof. Cer mas!
I didn't mean it isn't any good. It must have got lost in translation.
Cer mas!
Hefin. So, ti'n byw. What's Welsh for you're a tramp and you live in a classroom?
I got you this. Ti'n hoffi coffee, Hefin?
Sorry, I'm late. What have I missed?
Oh, nothing. Just Hefin dreaming about Hywel Dda again.
I have not been dreaming about Hywel Dda. I'm tired because there's a lot of cleaning up for me to do. There's still a bit left. Liz, ddylch ti pasio fideo fi, os gwelwch yna?
Na.
Na I ddim pasio fideo I ti.
Na I ddim pasio fideo.
Da iawn. Hang on, pam?
Because they're blinking awful. I'm trying to learn Welsh. They're badly made, they're dated. I've got a wedding to plan in a language I don't understand.
Maen nhw just bach o hwyl. Mae'r fideos yn hwyl. Mae pawb yn licio'r fideos.
Na, Hefin, ddim yn hwyl. They're not all right. They're awful. They're downright terrible. Dwi eisiau dysgu Cymraeg.
Mae'r fideos yn iawn. Maen nhw just bach o hwyl. They're light-hearted, fun on video. They're fine.
Oh,
God, no.
No? So, chi eisiau dysgu Cymraeg?
Yeah.
Oh, sort of.
Iawn. Prawf.
Oh, God.
What does that mean?
It means test. And be quiet. Anyone who makes any noise will be taken out and destroyed. Dynastrio.